Swang, it's me again, Samantha, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ramada Encore Hotel dito sa Makati to show you what it looks like inside. Okay. Yeah.
Now where are we going?
We'll go show them around inside. Kuya, magkaya ka sa vlog ko. Oh, gwapo ah. Ate, magkaya ka sa vlog ko. Oh, yan yung mga nagkakantahan nilang kwan. Receptionist. Ito yung lobby nila. Tapos may kitchenette dito. Tapos sa first floor, there's na parang mini gym.
And then
And then, dito ka nagbe-breakfast. Say hi!
hello everyone.
Tell them to subscribe on my channel.
Don't forget to subscribe. Samantha's channel.
Yeah.
Hotel Ramada. Makita.
Tapos andito na kami sa elevator nila. Then, where we go next?
Well, after we get
So yung mga kaseswang na room,
tell them hey, we went to the mall.
napunta kami sa ibang room. Nakakahiya, kaya pala hindi namin mabuksan. Ibang room pala, nasa third floor pala kami, hindi namin tinitignan yung sa elevator.
The fifth floor's the same anyway.
Yeah, the fifth floor is still the same.
Same.
We're on the fifth floor now. Fire exit.
That was.
That's why we... It's embarrassing.
Oh, yeah.
It's...
This is what happened.
And I can hear the TV is like playing.
I couldn't. Here we are.
Yeah.
We got to the right room.
Here we are on our room and
Look at that.
we're gonna show you around our room.
Yeah.
Alright. Get some light first.
I was gonna do this.
Tapos, eto yung bathroom nila, oh. Tingnan yung mirror nila, oh. Diba? Bongga. Tapos sa rest mong ganun mag-light. Oh, pak! Diba? Ito yung bathroom nila. Malinis. Oh, yan. May bidet, mga ses. Tapos shower. Oh, eto yung bathroom nila. Maliit lang pero maganda siya, malinis. Tapos ang pinaka-gusto ko dito, etong salamin nila. Eto, press mo to, maging dark siya. Oh. Tapos press mo ulit, maging light siya. Oh, di ba sis? Bongga.
Good for all you girls to put your makeup on.
Yeah, and this is our room. It's kind of messy, but it looks fine.
My side's not messy.
Yeah.
It's just Samantha's side's messy. My
This
side is good.
is our bed.
There's my side, not messy.
May TV, tapos kettle, tapos dito yung safe. And then may parang kwan dito, lamesa, upuan.
Fantastic.
Plus, etong view namin sa kwarto namin. Oh.
What about?
It's the view.
Hey, what about this?
And
Oh, we have a fridge. I didn't even know we had a fridge.
And if you're looking for a place to stay here in Makati and you want to know what Ramada Encore Hotel looks like, you can check out this video so that you'll have a clue what it looks like inside. And we'll also have a little fridge here.
You got it?
Yeah.
I'm like really good.
And
And this is very important.
yeah.
This is where you keep all your money.
Yeah,
All
safe.
your money.
Where you can put all your money or your important things there.
Very safe.
And then we'll going to the rooftop. We'll show you the rooftop where we'll be having our dinner later on. Tell them we'll see them in a bit.
I
Colin.
don't think we have anything else to show you in here.
Yeah, we'll
Take you
go.
upstairs.
Yeah, we'll go to the rooftop and show them around
Yeah.
what it looks
Do
like. Bye! Nandito na kami sa rooftop.
It's so warm up here.
Yeah. Kami sa rooftop nila where we'll be having a dinner here later. If it will not gonna rain. This is what it looks like on the rooftop. You can have a drink here and a meal. Yeah. And it starts from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is their bar. And there's a bathroom here. And the view is nice.
Some people leave their glasses behind.
Some people left their glasses behind, Colin said. This is the view, mga sis. So if you like to experience or check out this Ramada Encore Hotel, here it is. This is how it looks like.
It does.
See? Ang kano.
Okay? And it's close to everything.
Yeah, see? The view. Yes.